Hello and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will discuss the building blocks of a sentence. Sentence. Every sentence consists of some basic elements. And once you understand these elements, you can construct sentences of your own. Let's dive into it. Building blocks of sentence. Subject. Verb. Object. Phrase. Clause. Subject. The first building block of a sentence is the subject. The subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. It can be a single word or a group of words. For example, in the sentence John runs every morning, John is the subject. Verb. The second building block of a sentence is the verb. The verb is the action or state of being that the subject is doing or experiencing. It is essential to ensure that the verb agrees with the subject in terms of number and person. For example, in the sentence John runs every morning, runs is the verb. Object. The third building block of a sentence is the object. The object is the person, place, thing, or idea that receives the action of the verb. In some sentences, there may not be an object. For example, in the sentence John runs every morning, there is no object. Phrase. The fourth building block of a sentence is the phrase. A phrase is a group of words that work together to convey a single idea. Phrases can function as nouns, verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. For example, in the morning is a phrase that functions as an adverb in the sentence John runs in the morning. Clause. The fifth building block of a sentence is the clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. Clauses can function as independent sentences or as dependent clauses that require a main clause to complete the thought. For example, in the sentence, although it was raining, John went for a run. Although it was raining is a dependent clause, and John went for a run is the independent clause. Understanding the building blocks of a sentence is essential to constructing clear and effective sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll be on your way to becoming a skilled communicator in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.